Hey collectors, here is a look at the Tumbler and Batpod model kit by Modo King, and I would like to thank Wild Toy Nation for this. Link in the description below. Check them out. Once you open the box, there is a black cover with the Dark Knight logo, and beneath it is the instruction booklet for the tumbler and the Batpod, and all of the parts for the two vehicles, plus the batteries and the LED lights are all separately packed in a plastic bag. Modoking separated the instructions in the booklet for the Batpod and the tumbler. The first part is that you will have to get all this sprues where the parts of the Batpod are connected, and this is how you will assemble them piece by piece. After you have assembled the Batpod, the second part of the instruction booklet shows you the sprues that contains the parts for the tumbler. And here are the parts or runners that you need to build the Batpod. A little word of caution before you try to install the magnetic LED lights to the model kit. Be sure you want it that way because these are very hard to remove, and aside from that, some model kit units like mine came with a busted light. But you can order this online because it's just a generic design for this kind of LED light. Here is the 1:12 scale Modoking tumbler, and most of the details that you can see is also present if you ever had the 1:6 scale Hot Toys tumbler. Some of the details we added after we assembled them. And again, I would like to remind you, if you want to put the batteries beside now because they are really very hard to remove once the batteries are dead. And this is what the interior looks like for the tumbler. If you want to put more details, you can. Aside from the model kit Dark Knight, you can also fit other figures from other companies into the passenger seat, such as the Marvel Legends, Captain America, or any other 6-inch figures from other lines. Here is a comparison shot of the Dark Knight tumbler from Motoking compared to the Soap Studio. And the first thing that you'll notice is that the tires for the remote control is a little bit thinner than the ones used by Modoking. With the body part of the car, there is a lot of similarities. Although the Modoking has a lot of details because it's a model kit, but the wheels at the back and the flaps are almost identical. And of course, if they are identical, the inside would also fit a 6-inch figure from Hasbro to Modoking to SH Figure Arts. Here is the 1:12 model kit, The Dark Knight Batman from Modoking, and you have to be very patient when you are placing the figure on top of the vehicle. Be sure to manipulate all the joints so that you can get the proper position for the figure as you can see in the film. And if you lay him flat on his belly, the figure won't bulk out from the vehicle's top. And be very careful because there are a lot of joints that will move from both of the figure and the bat pod. And here is another angle for the Modoking, the Dark Knight figure, and the bat pod. The EMP gun can be clipped to the bat pod, and the model kit has provided that clip where you can place the weapon. And to wrap things up, here is a final look at the Modoking 1:12 Tumbler model kit and Batpod with the Dark Knight Bruce Wayne action figure. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.